clearing job today. Got most of it cleared out, and we're gonna start on the retaining wall, the stone retaining wall. Probably do a couple rows across the bottom here, but got the drainage in last night. Hide the pipes, and we'll build the wall right over it, and should look pretty good. We'll get to it. So there's a pretty good pile of rocks here. I sorted through them to try to get some more for the retaining wall we're building, and I dug a hole and buried the smaller ones, smoothed everything out. We can put a few rocks to work with. With that drain in the way, it's actually just a cellar drain and the basement's finished, so you don't ever get any water out of it. So I just capped it off and put some rocks around it, so if there is any water it can drain through them. And we went around the other way with a little kind of a staircase, steps, and I think came out all right. Was hoping to continue the stairway up the hill, but like I said, the drain was in the way and didn't really want to mess with it. So anyways, we got our first row on here. So I'm gonna take all this stone I just got out of this pile, bring it down there, fix that drain, and then we'll do one more layer across. That'll be it for the stone wall. And then I just gotta smooth everything up here, take a couple loads to the back of the barn, and we should be good shape when we get to it. Well, the stone wall and staircase is pretty much finished. It's the end of the year, so I don't really know if I'm going to do any landscaping this year. Probably wait till the spring, but all in all, I think it came out pretty good. Using all the stone we used here, all came out of the land clearing here. It was very, very bony soil. There's a lot more rocks in there too, but everything you see here all came out of that field. So I think it came out pretty good. Do a little landscaping, some mulch, and look really good. Client's extremely happy, and this was a lot of fun. Came out good. We'll get this graded off, cleaned up, and we're head on to the next job.